Hello everyone. The Senzo Meyiwa case is being messed up deliberately. The leader of the EFF, Julius Malema, was right about that one. It has come out that Advocate Mngomezulu is facing charges of attempted murder. Mngomezulu is representing accused number 1, Musika Ukalelo Svia, and accused number 2, Bongani Danzi. And according to SABC News, he is facing charges of murder, conspiracy to commit murder, and contravention of protection order, and resisting arrest. The complainant is his wife, Adv Mngomezulu, whom he's working with on the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. It's been reported that his wife wanted to withdraw the charges, but the National Prosecuting Authority is refusing and has declined to withdraw the charges. The charges dates back November 2022, and the NPA said that the charges are related to domestic disputes. It is alleged that Advocate Mngomezulu bought the petrol at the garage and wanted to burn his house that he shares with his wife. The national spokesperson of the NPA, Pindim Jonondwana, confirmed this on the SABC News that there is an ongoing case against Advocate Mngomezulu and said his wife pressed charges against Mngomezulu and he was charged with several counts: assault, contravening a protection order, attempted murder, and resisting arrest. His wife also dropped charges, but the NPA said they are continuing with the case because they want to protect the wife and the children. All the lawyers who are trying to crack the Senzo Meyiwa's case are being arrested. Firstly, it was Advocate D4. Till this date, he's still in jail. Now it's Advocate Mngomezulu. Do you think Senzo Meyiwa's family will ever get the justice they deserve? Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more news.
Which is being put now to me, my lord. The confession was made.